Hey guys, it's Tim with Original Strength, and this week I just wanted to talk to you about being strong. So, we're during the coronavirus and things are a little bit stressful, times are hard. So, I just want to encourage you not to don't let your neighbor smell weakness. All right, so here's my thing. So, many moons ago, BC, before Corona, one of my neighbors would come up and every time he would walk by my cul-de-sac, he would do push ups. So, he would always do this. He'd come to the cul-de-sac and do push-ups, and it was amusing to me, so I allowed it. That's his house right there behind me. His name's Mark. Hey, Mark. So, again, it was amusing. I allowed it. But now it's DC. It's during Corona. Now it's a new world. Now is the time to establish dominance. So here's what you do. You do push-ups in his driveway. I'll show you how. And that's how you do it right there. Now is the time to establish your strength and your dominance. Let your neighbors know that you're not weak. And make sure their dog is locked up in the house first. Mark's got a big dog. I'll tell you one thing though, he better be glad he didn't do yoga in my cul-de-sac. That would have been something. All right guys, you guys stay safe, stay strong. We'll see you next week.